everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram doesn't support image insertion here issue. If you're unable to insert images in specific parts of Instagram, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot. First, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see an available update, install it. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues, including this one. Next, check your phone's storage space. Low storage on your phone may cause Instagram to malfunction. Go to your settings, find storage, and check how much free space you have, and free up some space if needed. If freeing the space didn't help, try force closing Instagram. Swipe Instagram away from your recent apps to force close it. Then reopen the app. This can help remove temporary bugs. Sometimes a simple restart is all that's needed. Turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and power it back on. Once your phone is back on, try inserting an image again to see if the issue is resolved. And if none of these steps work, you can report the issue to Instagram. Go to your profile, settings, scroll down and tap help, then select report a problem. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the image insertion issue on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.